Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a non-profit site with Donorbox detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a non-profit site with Donorbox, begin by choosing a website builder that fits your needs. Common options include WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. Once you've selected a platform, sign up for an account and choose a template that reflects your mission. Customize the template by adding your nonprofit's logo, colors, and images. Next, create essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Mission. Make sure to highlight your nonprofit's goals and impact on these pages. Now, it's time to integrate Donorbox into your site. Go to the Donorbox website and sign up for a free account. Once registered, log in to your Donorbox dashboard. Create a new campaign by clicking on the Create Campaign button. Fill in the necessary details such as campaign title, fundraising goal, and description. Customize your donation settings based on the options you want to offer. These options might include recurring donations, donation amounts, and custom messages. Save your campaign to generate the donation form. Copy the embed code provided by Donorbox. Return to your website builder and find the page where you want to place the donation form. Insert a new HTML block or a custom code block on that page. Paste the Donorbox embed code into the block. Preview your page to ensure the donation form appears correctly. Adjust the layout if necessary to align with your site's design. Once satisfied, publish the changes to make the donation form live. Promote your new donation page through social media and email newsletters. Consider creating a blog to share updates and success stories related to your nonprofit. Regular content can engage potential donors and keep them informed. Monitor your donations through the Donorbox dashboard. This tool offers analytics to help you track fundraising performance. Building a successful nonprofit site takes time and effort. Remain committed to your mission and continually engage with your community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.